Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Garden tour. Well, back garden anyway. I have recently planted up my San Mosaic tomatoes here in my large greenhouse, and I'm trying a method of stringing them up. We'll see how that goes. And there's marigolds in here as well. I have got one little darling watermelon that will be going in the ground here soon. I have my winter squashes ready and some spare courgettes in case any that are planted die. I've got some chili peppers here and they look like pepper seeds, pepper seedlings, but these look more like weeds, but there's a lot of them and it says peppers, so I don't know. I might be just growing weeds on in a pot. In my medium greenhouse I have just planted up my Roma tomatoes, interspersed with marigolds. Here I have 2 melons open and I'm trying to string them up as well, and some aubergines. The tomatoes I'm going to take up canes, the same as I've always done. There's a few melons here that will be going in the ground soon, but this garlic I planted November, October time, and it's saffronate garlic and they're massive, but they aren't quite ready yet. I have got some in the outside garden that is nowhere near as big. 2 cereal potatoes in pots, and rhubarb behind, lettuce in the pallet collar. Some winter squashes will be going there. I've still got a lot of bindweed, but I'm going there. When I plant the winter squashes I'll pull the bindweed up. This bit has basically got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 courgette zucchini plants. And now after I planted them the weather turned chilly-ish, so I put these covers on them and I'll show you what these are of in a moment. But as you saw in the big greenhouse, I have got spares if I need them. Dill, I've got 3 dill plants there. Some more first early potatoes. These potatoes are shallot potatoes, which I didn't plant because they're ones that I didn't get out of the ground last year. I have strawberries in a pallet and a few herbs in front of it. These I planted in pots, 3 pots in February time, and they're shallot potatoes and they're beginning to lackluster, so I will be pulling them out soon. And that one's Jerusalem artichokes. I've been planting some tomatoes outdoor, different varieties, and marigolds as well. You can't really see them here because I've got hornet garlic out. So I've interplanted the tomatoes because they are possibly going another month, 6 weeks. Where my sweet corn was last year, I'm just using it as a dumping ground at the moment because I've been using my small greenhouse as a potting shed. And yes, there is hardneck garlic underneath. I don't know if you'll make it out, there is elephant garlic up front, and I think I've got a few scapes on it, so brilliant. But in here it's just like a potting shed. Those are all sunflowers. There's some of me balloty climbing beans. Sweet corn, not quite ready to go out yet, some of them, but some of them more. But that's what this has been used, so I'll go clear this out so I can plant it up. Along here, all along there, peas. Here's green shaft for seed for next year. This side is peas, due to Provence I think, and they'll be for eating, as well as some I've got plenty in the front garden. Those plastic covers came off these 3 troughs. In the 2 at the end I've got a total of 8 tomatoes, and they are yellow tumbling tom and veranda red. I've got radish looking leggy, not doing much, and lettuce seeds just coming through, so I'm going to have them as a cut and come again. Once I've cleared out my little greenhouse, this is where I'll be starting seeds and potting on and everything, and I bought this little greenhouse thing that I can put the little seedlings in, so they'll be protected from winds and things like that. The garlic I showed you in the in the medium greenhouse is a softneck variety, exactly the same as this, but it's doing a lot better than this because it's in the greenhouse and this lot is outside. I have put my bean trellis up yet, but as yet not planted out beans. In between my courgettes I've got beetroot, but I also planted some carrot seeds. 5th time this year and nothing again. But I have just noticed in here there is what looks like carrot seedlings, because I did so. That's one of the 5th sowings. So I'll go in there and have a look over the next few days. Thank you. Bye.